Imagine a place where gravity reigns supreme. It's a place so extreme that not even light can escape its grasp. We call these cosmic monsters black holes. Now, picture another celestial object, a neutron star. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova. Imagine these two titans locked in a deadly dance. The black hole, with its insatiable appetite, slowly begins to devour the neutron star. The neutron star, no match for the black hole's immense gravity, stretches and distorts like cosmic clay. This process is called spaghettification. What a way to go! As the neutron star spirals closer, it releases an incredible amount of energy. This energy ripples through the fabric of space-time, creating what we call gravitational waves. Scientists can detect these waves, providing evidence of these cataclysmic events. The collision of a black hole and a neutron star is a cosmic spectacle of unimaginable power. It's a testament to the awe-inspiring forces at play in our universe. So buckle up as we journey into the heart of this cosmic maelstrom. Black holes are among the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine the Earth squeezed into a marble. That's the kind of density we're talking about. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. The star's core collapses in on itself, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. The singularity is surrounded by an event horizon, the point of no return. Black holes are invisible to telescopes, but we can detect them by their effects on nearby stars and gas. As matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits X-rays. These X-rays act like a beacon, signaling the presence of these cosmic behemoths. Black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They only consume matter that gets too close. So you don't have to worry about a black hole swallowing up the Earth anytime soon. Neutron stars are another extreme inhabitant of the cosmic zoo. They are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. Imagine a star more massive than the sun squeezed into a sphere the size of a city. That's a neutron star. When these massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they can no longer support themselves against gravity. Their cores collapse, forcing protons and electrons to combine into neutrons. This process creates an incredibly dense object. Neutron stars are like giant atomic nuclei held together by gravity. They spin rapidly, some making hundreds of rotations per second. Their intense magnetic fields can funnel radiation into beams like cosmic lighthouses. These stellar corpses are laboratories for extreme physics. They help us understand matter under the most extreme conditions imaginable. Neutron stars are a testament to the universe's ability to create objects of astonishing density and power. Section 4. When titans collide, the cosmic waltz of death. When a neutron star encounters a black hole, it's a cosmic clash of epic proportions. The black hole's immense gravity begins to pull the neutron star apart. The neutron star, caught in the black hole's gravitational grip, spirals closer and closer. As the neutron star spirals inward, it experiences tidal forces that stretch it like spaghetti. This spaghettification process is a dramatic example of the power of gravity. Imagine being stretched like a piece of chewing gum. Not a pleasant way to go. The intense gravitational interaction between the black hole and the neutron star releases a tremendous amount of energy. This energy is released in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time. The collision itself is a spectacular event. The neutron star's material falls onto the black hole, creating a bright flash of light and other radiation. This cosmic cataclysm can be observed across vast distances. Section 5. Echoes from the Abyss. Listening to the cosmos. Scientists have developed incredibly sensitive instruments to detect these faint ripples. These instruments are called gravitational wave detectors. They are like giant ears listening to the symphony of the cosmos. In 2017, scientists made a groundbreaking discovery. They detected gravitational waves from the collision of two neutron stars. This event, dubbed GW170817, sent shockwaves through the scientific community. The detection of gravitational waves from a black hole neutron star merger would be another major breakthrough. It would provide us with even more information about these extreme objects and the nature of gravity itself. These cosmic events may seem distant and irrelevant to our daily lives, but they remind us of the vastness of the universe. They inspire us to explore and understand the cosmos and our place within it. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the cosmic dance of destruction. Remember the black holes and neutron stars locked in their eternal struggle. These events are a testament to the incredible power and beauty of our universe. Keep looking up.